Hi everyone. So I've been asked a few times if I could do a tutorial on how I tie my hair scarves, and I'm finally sitting down to do that for you. So these are two of the styles that I do most often. This first one I actually learned from the lovely Ruby May Rose on Instagram. She was kind enough to share a little video with me on how she did it, so I will pass on that information onto you as well. And the second one is just a typical kind of, I call it the Bomb Girls hair turban, hair scarf. You can easily do that style over rollers. This first one is a little bit more difficult over rollers, but I do like to wear it on a regular basis. It kind of creates more of a rosette on the top rather than just the flat kind of worker wear hair scarf. So I'm just using a regular square scarf. It's 34 inches on all sides, and it's a nice cotton material. I have a really hard time with silky or satiny type of hair scarves. They just slide right off my hair, which is another reason why I do this kind of style to my hair when I'm doing a turban. I roll all of my hair back, and then I just kind of clip it in the back, kind of crisscross, and just put some bobby pins in. It creates a little bit of a shelf for my hair to hold on to the scarf. My hair does not like to hold scarves or barrettes usually, or headbands, anything like that. They just like to kind of slip right off. So this really helps to create that shelf to hold there. So you're going to take your square scarf and just make it into a triangle. And the long end is going to go at the back. Make sure that you're kind of covering everything right at the back. And you'll take your ends, come across the front. You're going to make one little, not necessarily a knot, but a tie. I like to pull these ends a little bit taut, and then tuck that hair back. So you're going to take this, fold it all the way back, helps if you lean your head back a little bit. Then you're going to make a knot in front of that little panel. Then you're going to bring it back forward and tuck it right underneath. Then you've got your little ends. Make another knot in the back. Then you can kind of, depending on how large your scarf is, you can spread them out a little bit. Then you just tuck them right underneath the side. And now you can kind of just pull these out, make it a little bit bigger, and there you have it. It's just a little bit more oomph, a little bit more of a rosette kind of up at the top here. And you can do this with a much larger scarf. You could do it with a modern scarf that's actually long, as long as you can fold it into a bit of a triangle. So the second scarf is very similar, but it's just your typical kind of bomb girls, worker, factory worker type of hair scarf. And I'm going to use the same scarf. Same thing, you're going to make it into the triangle. Make the first knot. And then same thing, I like to kind of pull it taut. I make a full knot in the back. Then I pull this back, and you're going to tuck it into the knot behind. And you've got these little guys, and you can find there's almost like a little pocket here, and you can just stuff those right in. Make sure your ears can breathe. And then I just kind of like tuck everything in to kind of roll it. Make sure everything is nice and secure. And that gives you a little bit more of just a flat tuck all the way around. And that's it. You can secure, if you feel like you need it, you can secure with bobby pins here or here. But if you've got a good cotton turban, a good cotton scarf, you really shouldn't need it. It should hold pretty well for you. So there you have it. There's two of my favorite hair scarves. Please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll do a few more videos for you. Bye.